Welcome to today's video on 7 climate influences on transport, where we'll explore the impact of weather on transportation systems. Extreme temperatures can affect the performance of vehicles and infrastructure, causing delays and disruptions. In regions with heavy snowfall, transportation networks must be equipped to handle the challenges of keeping roads clear and safe. Intense heat can cause problems for airlines, as hot air creates less lift, making it more difficult for planes to take off. Rainfall can lead to flooded roads and decreased visibility, posing risks to drivers and making transportation more difficult. Strong winds can be dangerous for both land and air transportation, creating turbulence and making it challenging to maintain control. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes and cyclones, can cause extensive damage to transport infrastructure, requiring costly repairs. In areas prone to fog, transportation may be severely impacted as the reduced visibility affects the safety of drivers. Dry and arid conditions can lead to increased dust and sandstorms, which can create hazardous driving conditions and damage vehicles. Mountains and hilly terrains can present challenges, affecting the stability and efficiency of transportation systems. Coastal regions are at risk of coastal erosion, which can damage roads, railways, and ports, impacting the flow of goods and people. Now that we've explored these climate influences on transport, it's clear that weather conditions play a crucial role in transportation efficiency and safety.